If I had $0, no audience, and I needed to make money online in 2026, I would do one thing. I would use AI. Not because it's magic, not because it's some overnight shortcut, but because right now, AI is the fastest tool a complete beginner can use to start building online income. And I'm not talking about theory, I'm talking about real people using AI right now to make real money online. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how that works. But stay until the end, because I'll also show you the one method I would personally start with if I had to begin from absolute zero today. And trust me, most beginners are completely using AI the wrong way. But if you understand this properly, it can change everything. First, you need to understand this. AI does not make money by itself. AI only becomes powerful when you use it to solve real problems for real people. That's where most beginners fail immediately. They think AI is a money button. Type something, me, get rich. No, it doesn't work like that. But when you use AI to work faster, create better content, deliver services faster, that's when money becomes possible. Now let's break it down step by step. Method number 1, AI writing services. One of the easiest ways to start making money with AI is AI-assisted writing services. This is simple, beginner-friendly, and fast to test. Businesses need content every single day. They need Instagram captions, product descriptions, blog posts, email copy, YouTube scripts, ad text, all of that. And tools like ChatGPT can help you create the first draft in seconds. But here's the important part. Let's say a small business needs 20 Instagram captions. Instead of writing everything from zero, you use AI to generate ideas fast. Then you improve it. You make it clean, human, natural, and deliver it as a service. But here's what most people don't understand. You are not selling AI text. You are selling speed, convenience, finished results. And clients don't care about your tools. They only care about one thing, the result. If you can deliver faster than others, you instantly become valuable. Method number 2, AI thumbnails and design. Another powerful beginner method is creating thumbnails and simple social media designs. And no, you do not need to be a designer. This is where Canva becomes powerful. You can create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, Pinterest graphics, ebook covers, ads. And here's the reality. Most clients don't want perfect design. They want clean, clickable, fast one. That's it. For example, YouTubers need thumbnails every week. Businesses need monthly posts. That means one thing. Repeat clients, and repeat clients equals stable income. If I started from zero today, this is one of the first things I would test because it's visual, fast, and easy to improve quickly. Method number 3, faceless content. Big opportunity. Now let's talk about something powerful. Faceless content. This is one of the biggest long-term AI opportunities right now. And ironically, you're watching this type of system in action. With AI today, one person can do the work of a full team. You can use AI for research, scripts, voiceovers, editing, thumbnails, everything. That means you can build entire YouTube channels without showing your face. You can create content about AI tools, side hustles, motivation, finance facts, tech news, productivity. And once your videos start getting views, you unlock multiple income streams, ads, affiliate links, sponsorships, digital products. But here's the powerful part. One video doesn't just die after upload. A single video can bring traffic for weeks, even months. That means your content works even when you are not working. And that is powerful. Short-form video editing. Now let's talk about something underrated. Short-form video editing. Right now, TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts are exploding. But here's the problem. Most creators hate editing. That's your opportunity. Using tools like CapCut, you can cut long videos into shorts, add captions, improve pacing, make it engaging, and sell that as a service. Clients don't care about editing details. They care about one thing: attention. If your edits help them get more views, you become useful immediately. Method 5, affiliate marketing with AI tools. Another powerful method, affiliate marketing. You don't need to build a product, you just recommend AI tools. If someone signs up, you earn commission. Simple. But this becomes powerful when combined with content. For example, a video like 3 best AI tools for beginners. That one video can generate clicks for months. You can post it on YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, blogs, and every click equals potential income. This is why smart creators love affiliate marketing, because content works 24/7. Method 6, digital products. Now let's go long-term. Digital products. This includes prompt packs, Notion templates, ebooks, Canva templates, content calendars, script bundles. And AI makes this much easier because AI helps you brainstorm, structure, write, improve faster than ever before. You create once and sell many times. That's the power. Not instant money, but scalable income. Chesh. Final strategy, very important. If I had to start from zero today, I would not try everything. I would start with one thing, AI-assisted services. Why? Because fast to start, zero investment, easy to test, writing, thumbnails, or short-form editing. Then, once I earn some money, I would move into faceless content and start affiliate marketing AI tools. That way you build short-term income plus long-term growth, and that combination is powerful. Big truth. Most people will watch this video, get excited, and do nothing. But the people who actually try, even with $0, are the ones who change their situation. Not because they are lucky, but because they took action. So if you want more realistic AI money methods, faceless content ideas, and beginner-friendly online income strategies, make sure to subscribe. Because here, we are not chasing fake dreams, we are building real income step by step. And trust me, the next videos are going to be even better.